Is it possible that the universe possesses a form of consciousness? Does its profound complexity hold a form of awareness? In this video, we will be exploring the idea of oneness and a universal consciousness, referred to as Panpsychism. This concept has been increasingly capturing the attention of philosophers, scientists, and the spiritual community. From this viewpoint, consciousness is a basic quality of the universe, equal to mass or energy. Understanding this truth brings with it a fresh perspective on the notion of unity by implying that everything, from the minute particle to the colossal galaxy, partakes in a consciousness that is universal. Let's begin with the simple yet incredible fact that we are all stardust, or children of the stars. The life cycle of a star is a remarkable journey that results in the creation of the very elements that constitute everything in existence. From the beginning of time, stars have been born from clouds of gas and dust, and after fusing all of their hydrogen into helium and then all other elements in their cores, they'd eventually die, often in spectacular explosions known as supernovae. These celestial events are not just awe-inspiring spectacles, they are also the crucibles in which elements heavier than helium are formed. So from the oxygen that we breathe, to the calcium in our bones, and the iron in our blood, including every single atom within us, they were all created by the supernova of dying stars. In his book, Galileo's Error, philosopher Philip Goff argues that panpsychism provides a promising solution to the hard problem of consciousness. This view allows us to consider the universe as a collection of separate objects, but as a unified entity with consciousness permeating its every corner. Now consider this. If the universe is conscious and we are made from the very elements birthed in the heart of dying stars, then we too are an integral part of this universal consciousness. The microscopic world may be challenging to comprehend. When an atom is compared to its nucleus, it's as empty as the space between the stars. Quantum physics has brought forth discoveries suggesting that particles can be interconnected across vast distances. This phenomenon, known as quantum entanglement, makes it possible for particles to share information instantaneously, regardless of the space between them. It's as if each particle is aware of the other's actions, even when separated by light years. Now allow us to shift our attention from the microcosm to the cosmic web. This is a vast network of galaxies, all interconnected across unimaginable distances, much like quantum particles. And this is where things become intriguing. The similarities between the microscopic and cosmic scales propose a fundamental principle of interconnectedness in the universe. From the smallest of particles to the largest galaxies, every component of the universe is interconnected in the cosmic web. Existing not only in the vast expanse of space, this grand tapestry of existence, woven with threads of light and gravity, also exists within us. The journey to understanding this oneness brings a profound realization. As we navigate through these thought-provoking concepts, it's essential to consider their implications. The idea of interconnectedness and oneness in the universe is not just an abstract concept, but a fundamental principle that could alter our perception of ourselves and our place in the cosmos. If the microcosm within us is linked to the macrocosm of the universe, then we are not isolated entities, but integral parts of the cosmic web. This realization can potentially lead to a shift in our worldview, prompting us to live more harmoniously with each other and the planet. The concept of oneness could inspire a profound respect for the intricate balance of life, fostering a more sustainable, compassionate, and holistic approach to our existence. Recognizing the interconnectedness of all things can lead to a more holistic and compassionate worldview. The deeper truth is that we are not mere spectators in this cosmic dance, but active participants shaping our reality. Now, let's take a moment to reflect on the profound implications of oneness. How can we use this knowledge in our personal lives and the global community? At some point, we all have felt isolated in our day-to-day lives, surrounded by the hustle and bustle of modern society, or by being consumed with work or school. But remember, beneath the surface complexity, we are all deeply interconnected, and the idea of oneness can bring about a profound shift in our perspective. Not only will it make you feel an instant connection to something much bigger and grander than yourself, but it can also inspire empathy, compassion, and a sense of shared responsibility for our planet and all its inhabitants. In recent years, the concept of oneness has become increasingly integrated into scientific understanding. Theories like quantum entanglement and the cosmic web aren't just abstract concepts. They hint at the fundamental nature of reality. The principles of unity and interconnectedness are finding their place in the scientific narrative, challenging our conventional views of the universe and our place within it. So, what does this mean for us as individuals, as communities, as a species? It means that no matter how small our actions, they can have far-reaching effects. It means that we're not just passive observers in the cosmic dance, but active participants. It means that we have the power to shape our world and, by extension, the universe itself. Thank you for joining me on this journey to understanding oneness. Always remember, whenever you look up at any part of the sky, all of the atoms that make up your body came from far out there. And when you were created, those parts of the universe were brought and is now within you also. And this is true for each and every one of us. Thank you for embarking on this remarkable quest for truth and awareness. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and continue seeking the truth and marvel at the profoundness of the interconnected universe. Peace, my friends, and always remember, love is the answer. Namaste.